Let's do an in-depth analysis on what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments. And also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. And when you zoom it out, you can clearly see that we are in a trend. It is very clear that what Euro JPY is trending to the side. We are very much trending to the side. We are very much bullish on Euro JPY. Now, if you have to zoom it in also, you will see what market is doing right here. You can see that there is a multiple rejection and movement within this level, which is a range market move, right? So market once came to tap our resistance and then it rejected and dropped to our support. Market was able to push up again to tap our resistance, then a rejection was made that came down to tap our support level. Market also rejected from our support level and came to tap our resistance, then rejected from our resistance and dropped back to tap our support. Market eventually came to tap our minor resistance level. So you can see that there was a rejection at this level previously. So this is a minor resistance level, and this is our major resistance level. So basically, we have a minor and a major level. Now, with this one market goes to the minor resistance, we also it came to drop back to support level, and now market is now rallying to tap our minor resistance. So if markets can tap this minor resistance, I strongly believe that markets will break above it and still push on to it still to tap this resistance. So I will be expecting EURJPY to hit the level of 185. So we should be seeing a bullish move. So it is able to hit the level of 185. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to